All right, I'm looking for tables that are quiet and ready to come to the carpet. North America, bring your whiteboard and marker. North America, quickly bring your whiteboard and marker. Asia, bring your whiteboard and marker, quickly. Europe, bring your whiteboard and marker, come quickly. South America, bring your whiteboard and marker, come quickly. South America, come quickly. Africa, bring your whiteboard and marker. You're part of Europe, come on.
But you didn't call you.
I did call Europe. That's why Jeremiah's sitting on the carpet. And Jared. Alright, if you're going to have these whiteboards and markers on the carpet right now, I need you to put them down out of your laps. Markers capped. We're not going to use them yet, but I want you to have them. We're not going to use them yet, so don't make me take them away if you're playing with them. They should be out of your laps. Alay, out of your lap. Presley, out of your lap. Markers capped. Not right now. Alright, let's look at this problem. Kinnear decided that he would bike 100 miles this year. Miles. If he has biked 60 miles so far, how much further does he have to bike? Hold on, think about it. Let's think about what the problem gave us. Did they give us 2 parts and we have to find the total, or did they give us the total and a part and we're missing a part?
Yeah.
Talk with your partner. What are we missing? What are certain amounts aren't? AJ and Jeremiah. Alay and Josiah. Ella. Can you come talk with Kinsey and Danger? Later. Alright, so what are we missing? What are we missing? Are we missing the totals? Is that what we need to figure out? Or are we missing a part of the problem? Alright, what would the subtraction problem be? If we were making a subtraction problem, what would it be? Alea?
Well, if we were making a subtraction problem for 160 miles, it would be 100 minus 60.
We said that the total, he's gonna bike 100 miles total this year. So that's our total. And then part of it, he's biked 60 already. No, wait, you're right, sorry. 100 minus 60, that's what we're trying to figure out.
Yes.
How could we figure that out? Jeremiah, I asked you to put that down. Should not be in your lap. Presley, same with you. Should not be in your lap. How would we figure out 100 minus 60? Without subtraction. Think about what we were doing yesterday when we were counting with tens. What could we do? Dina?
So you can just give yourself sentences at addition problem. So I gave myself 6 plus 4 equals 10, and then 60 plus 40 equals 100. So the missing one is 100. No, not 100. 40.
Alright, so let's look at how I could do this. Alright, I'm going to model it for you, then I want you to draw it on your whiteboard, but not yet. Alright, ready? We're going to start at 60. That's our first number. Alright, and we're trying to get to 100, right? Okay. So what do you think we could do first? AJ, what's a way, remember how we were skip counting yesterday with the hundreds and tens on the smart board? I was pulling them up. What's a way that we could get to 100?
We can count by tens till we can get like 79
Good. All right, so I'm going to show you how I want you to do it on your whiteboard. Are you watching? So 60, 70,
80, 90, 100.
good, and that's where I need to stop, right? And then I'm going to show how I moved. So I drew this little hump right here. I'm going to put a 10 because that's how many I was counting by. I'm going to put another 10. That's how many I was counting by. I'm going to put another 10 and another 10. And then how many 10s do I have up here? 4 10s. 40. Do you think that's my answer? Is that how many miles I have left to go?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, draw that on your whiteboards. I want to see.
Did we draw it exactly what you guys drew?
Yep, just like that. And then you're going to write your answer, which is how many 10s you counted by.
What?
It's up here, Presley.
I did that whole way.
All right, give me a thumbs up if you're done. Okay, if you are still working, try to finish up, Jeremiah. Good. 40 is our answer.
This
So,
is how I did it.
so we were skip counting, right? All right, we're gonna move on. So erase your whiteboards real quick.
I don't want to take it.
Grab you one. Oh, AJ said you could use his.
Right there.
Why don't you flip it on?
Dang it, but I can't.
Okay, all right. We are going to skip count using hundreds and tens. All right? So I'm going to give you a number, and I'm going to tell you what we're skip counting to, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to show you a number up here. All right, what number is this? Can you see it all?
90. 90.
Is it 9 or 90?
90. Wait, no, not
90. 10, 9, oh, sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I want you to count from 90 to 300. How are we going to do it? Talk with your partner. Talk with your partner. How are we going to use tens and hundreds to count from 90 to 300?
By 90, 100. And let's count by 100.
How many said?
90 to 300. All right. Bum, bada, bum, bum. All right, turn back to me. We're going to do it together, okay? 90. So I'm going to add a 10. 90. What does it become if I added a 10?
100.
100. I'm going to switch it out for one of these. All right. Should I keep counting by tens or could I switch to hundreds? Which would be faster?
10.
Would tens be faster or would hundreds? All right, hold on, hold on. That's counting by hundreds. Yep. All right, so we're at 100. We're trying to get to 300. So count with me as I add them.
200, 300.
We did it just like that. So we added 110 to the 90, right? Made it 100, and then we added 2 more hundreds. All right, let's count with me as I take it away.
Oh no. 200, 100.
Oh, hold on. 2, 3, 4,
99.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 90. All right. All right, let's do another one.
Okay.
Let's do.
Erase.
Yep, you can erase. All right, so this is my starting number. Hold on. All right, what is my starting number?
90.
Look up here. What's my starting number? 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 350. All right, the number I'm trying to get to is 600.
Whoa.
What should I do? Can someone raise their hand and tell me how? What should I do first?
And take away the tens.
What should I do first, Dana? What could I do first to get to 600?
Add 3 tens.
3 tens. All right, so we're at 50.
No, not 3 tens. I'm in 300s.
300s. All right. If I add 300s, that'll be 450, 550, 650. Uh-oh, but that went over the number I was trying to get to.
So take away the 50.
I can't remember. We're counting up. What we were doing yesterday, I can't take it away. I'm going to use it to count up. Olea, what should I do?
So you said
I'm going to take away these hundreds. We're going to figure it out a different way. Let's try it a different way.
So you gotta add 5 more tens.
5 more tens. So I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
So that's 100.
So I'm going to move that. I'm going to replace it with this. Now how many hundreds do I have?
5. 4. So now you
400.
gotta add 2 more to get to your 60.
To my 60 or
600.
600. So I'm at 4, 500, 600. Am I at my number now?
Yes.
That's it. Just like that. All right, let's count. What if I take them away? I have 6. 500,
400, 300,
300,
300.
and then my 50, right? And then 350. All right, let's try another one. We're going from 780. So that's 4, 5, 6, 700, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 780 to 1,000. How am I gonna get to 1,000? What do I do, Carter?
Place it on. Just add 2 more tens.
2 more tens. So I'm at 80, 90, 100. Can I replace this with 100?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna replace it with another 100. All right. So now how many hundreds do I have?
What can you use that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now what should I do? Oh, add another 100. Carter's talking. Now I'm at what?
900.
900. Now what do I do? Add another 100. I'm at 10 hundreds. What is 10 hundreds, Jeremiah?
Why can't you add the
What is 10 hundreds, Jeremiah? 10 100s.
1,000?
1,000.
Because that 1,000.
And I can exchange my 10 100s for a big thousands block, right? The big thousands block that we all passed around yesterday. Yes, Ella.
What if you wanted to get to all the hundreds are in
We're just going to 1,000 today, but thank you.
all of them
All right, Jarrett wasn't here, so he gets to look at it. All right.
All those hundreds
All right,
are in
we're gonna
that
do another one.
1,000 block.
Are you ready?
Yay, this is fun.
All right, it's gonna get trickier. I hope you're ready. Are you ready?
I'm not.
All right, we're gonna go from 500.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 830.
Ooh, I'm ready.
You ready? All right, let's hear from someone who hasn't said anything yet. Who thinks they know what they can do next? Jarrett, what do you know? What do you think? What should I add first? Should I add tens or hundreds? Bless you. 2 more hundreds. So at 500, 600, 700. Remember, we're trying to get to 830.
100.
Add another 100. Now we're at 800. What should I do next? Raise your hand. All right, Aiden said add 3 tens. Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
All right, so we're at 800, 800 and 810.
820. 830.
Are we there?
No.
Did we do it?
No.
Our number is 830.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I think we did it. All right, what if I took away those 3 tens? What number would it be?
800.
500?
800.
800. What if I took away 2 more hundreds? What would it be?
600.
What was that, Alea?
600.
600. What if I took away 2 more?
400.
400. All right, we're going to do another one. Let's do 800.
All the way to 30,000. No.
800.
So
So here's 800s. 800 to 990. Are we gonna? I want to hear from someone I haven't heard from yet.
Me, I haven't shared yet. Yes, you do.
Ella, what do you think we should do? We have 800s. We're trying to get to 990.
You need to.
What should I add to it?
Add
Josiah.
another 10.
Add another 10. So if I'm at 800 and I add a 10, what does this become now?
900.
Think about it. If I add a 10, I'm adding a 10 to 800. If I added a 10 to 800, it's going to become 810. Because there's that 10. Remember?
I mean, 100.
Add 100. Oh, okay. So I have 800. If I add a 100, what does it become now? 900. Now what should I do?
Now you need to add, now you just, one of the 10s.
A 10. Add a 10.
Add, you have 2 10s.
Remember, I'm trying to get to 990. So I'm at 900. What should I add?
No.
4 10s. All right, let's add 4 10s and see what we get. So we're at 900. 900. 10. 920. 30. 940. I added 4 10s, but I'm only at 940.
And now you need to add some more, 4 more. Add 4 more.
Add 4 more. All right. All right, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980. I added 4 more, but I'm still not there. I'm at one more 10. What would it be? 990. Yeah. All right, we're gonna move on, and it's gonna get even trickier. Are you ready?
Are we going to be here for a while?
Nope.
I want to do it now.
All right. Aiden and Jarrett, pay attention. All right, we're gonna go from 200 to 432.
That's easy.
All right, if it's easy, tell me what to do. Dax, 2 more hundreds. That would be what? 300, 400. Now what? He said add 3 10s, so this is 400,
And
400,
10.
400.
20,
400.
30,
What now?
40.
And 2 ones. Oh, we got to break out our ones. Add 2 ones. Is that our number now?
Yeah. No. Yes.
432.
Yes. Oh, yes. Yes.
All right. What if I took away these 3 tens? What number is it now?
402. No, 402.
402. What if I took away this 100? What would it be?
302.
What if I took away that 100?
202.
What if I took away the 2s? The 1s? 200. All right, next one. 700 to 874.
That's easy.
So here's 700. Now we're getting to 874. Alea, how are we going to do it?
So, 874.
874. We're at 700.
Add one more 100.
All right, Jeremiah. Hold on. She said add one more 100. Now what are we at?
And then you gotta
Oh, wait, hold on. What number? If I added 100, what number are we at now?
800.
800. Do you guys agree? Everyone else?
Yes.
What number are we at?
800.
800. All right. What next, Alea?
So you gotta add 7 tens.
7 tens. So this is 800 and 810. Count with me. 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870. Am I done?
No.
What else do I need?
You gotta add 1.
How many ones? I'm trying to get to 874.
So you gotta add 1, 2, 3, 1.
What is that now? 870,
1,
870,
2,
870,
3.
870.
Stop.
Stop. Am I at my number?
Yeah.
That's my number. All right. What if I took away 3 hundreds? What's my number going to be?
500. 4.
600.
All right. Let's look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds.
It's 74.
And I have 7 tens and 4 ones. What number is it going to be?
74. 574.
574. All right.
Say the next answer.
If I took away these 4 ones, what would it be, Jeremiah? I took away the 4 ones. What would it be? 570. All right. Carter, if I took away 2 tens, what would it be?
550.
Yep. Dax, if I took away 2 more tens, what would it be?
530.
Arnav, if I took away 1 more 10, what would it be?
520.
Presley, if I took away the last of the tens, what would it be?
500.
500. Aiden, if I took away 100, what would it be?
300. No, 400.
400. Very good.
Oh.
Whoops. It's okay. I got it. All right. I am going to send you back to your seat. Put your whiteboards away and markers away. Nope. All right. So if you sit at South America table, go back to your seat. Put your whiteboard away. Whiteboard and marker away. I'm going to walk around with fuzzies. All right. If you sit at Europe, put your whiteboard away. Go back to your seat. That would be Jarrett, Jeremiah, and Alea. If you sit at Africa, go back to your seat. That would be AJ, Kinsey, Presley. And if you sit at Asia, go back to your seat. That would be Josiah and Dana. And last, North America, Jenna, Carter, Dax, and Aiden. Oh, Europe. Jarrett is sitting great from Europe. He is ready to learn. Arnold and Ella are ready to learn. Alea's ready to learn. AJ's ready to learn. Presley and Kenzie are ready to learn. All right. You are going to be working with partners on this. All right. right, Jarrett, go sit by AJ, please. Alea, you can go sit in Victoria's seat. You're each gonna have your own paper. You're each gonna have your own paper, but you can work with your partner to figure out the answer. Yes, you need a pencil. Put this away, Dana. Alright, I'm going to put this up under the document camera so we can see what it is, alright? Let's see what we're supposed to do. So it says, draw pictures of the units you use to count from 90 to 300. Did we count from 90 to 300 on the carpet with me?
Yes.
That was one of the ones we did. So we did 90 to 300. So when it asks you what units, what do you think that means? Alea, what do you think that means?
I think that means units means about things that you do in a group, and instead of doing all the units at one time.
So if you draw a picture of the units you got to go from 90, so we started with 90, right? What did we do next? Jenna, what did we do next? Remember? We added a 10. All right, so this is what you can do. You can draw a line for your 10s. So that got us to, we added 10, right? And that got us to 100. And then what did we add? What did we do next? Dana, do you remember? So we got to 100. What did we do next? We added another 100. So if you're gonna draw 100, you can just draw a square box like this, okay? So I know that means 100. What did that bring us to? We added 100.
We do this 300, 200.
If we added 100, what is it, Aiden? We're at 200. What else do we need? If we're trying to get to 300. One more what? One more 100. All right, so you don't have to write the words or the numbers below them, but you can just draw the units. I was just writing them because that helps me see what I was doing, okay? Helps me remember what I'm on. Just a second. Does anyone have any questions about what you're supposed to be doing? Think you got it? All right, Ella. What's your question, Ella? No, Presley. number, what does it become?
Here, use this one. It's like sharp.
If you add 100 to 528, what's the same? All right, bum bada bum bum. Let's look up here at number 3 together. All right, I want everyone looking up here because this one is a little confusing, okay? So this one, you are starting with 428. How are you going to get that to 600? Does anyone know how you could get that to 600? Alea, what do you think?
You could subtract the 28 and stuff on.
Remember, we're not subtracting, we're adding stuff onto it to get to 600. We're counting up. Ella, what do you think?
You could add another you could add one more and
One more what?
one more of the 100.
All right, so she said I could add 100. So what does that become if I added 100? Oh, can someone raise their hand and tell me what does it become if I add 100 to 428? Dana?
So if you add 100, it'll only be 528.
Right, so we're only at 528. How are we going to get it to 600? AJ, what do you think?
Add another 2 tens
All right, we could add 2 tens.
to the
All right, what does 2 tens make it?
600.
Does it make it 600? If I had 2 tens, 528, 538, 548. Not quite there yet. What else could I add? AJ?
You could add 8 tens.
I could add 8 tens. All right, if I added 8 tens, so we're at 528, 538, 548, 558, 568, 578, 588, 598, 608. But that took me over my number. What could I do?
Take away those 8 ones.
Well, remember, I can't subtract the ones. I'm counting up. What should I do, Carter?
You need to add 2 ones, but not to that number.
What should I do to get it? So I should probably take away this 10, right? Because I'm at 608. So now I'm at 598.
You need to add two ones.
2 ones. And those 2 ones put me right at 600. Does everyone see how I got that?
Yes.
Does that make a little bit more sense? AJ, you got it? Okay.
I don't.
You got it, Alea? All right, do your last problem.